Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of boring, cluttered backgrounds during video calls, or you simply want to add a professional touch, this video is for you. Today, I'm showing you a foolproof, step-by-step guide on how to set custom backgrounds in Microsoft Teams, the full 2025 method. By the end of this video, you'll be able to transform any meeting into a polished, distraction-free experience. Let's dive right in. Open Microsoft Teams. First, launch the Microsoft Teams app on your computer and log in with your Microsoft account. Make sure you're running the latest version, as new updates often include improved background features. Start a personal meeting space. To test and set your custom background without pressure, click the video camera icon in the top right corner of Teams. Choose Start Meeting. This opens your own private meeting space where you can experiment before joining an actual call. Access video effects and settings. Once you're inside your meeting, look for the three dots, also known as the More Options menu, on the meeting toolbar. Click it, then select Video Effects and Settings. This is where the magic begins. Choose or upload a background. A preview window will pop up showing your live camera feed and a variety of background options. Microsoft Teams provides a solid collection of predefined backgrounds, from sleek offices to fun graphics. Want something unique? Click Add New to upload your own custom image. High-resolution pictures work best for a crisp look. Before applying the background, check how it interacts with your lighting and clothing. Bright light and simple colors help Teams separate you from the background for a more natural effect. Apply and save. When you're happy with the preview, hit Apply. Your selected background will instantly appear behind you and remain active for your current meeting. You can change it anytime, even mid-call if you need a quick switch. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you've customized your Microsoft Teams background, making every video call look polished and professional. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. With a better background, of course.